Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools step by step clearly. To register with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, begin by navigating to the Ahrefs website. Once you are on the home page, look for the Webmaster Tools option in the menu. Click on the Webmaster Tools link to be directed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will see an option to sign up for a free account. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox shortly after. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools website. Now, you will need to add your website to your account. Enter your website's URL into the provided field. Click on the Add Website button to proceed. You will then be prompted to choose a verification method. Select the preferred method for verifying your ownership of the website. Follow the on-screen instructions for the selected verification method. Once your website is verified, you will gain access to the dashboard. Explore the various tools and reports available to optimize your site. You have now successfully registered with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.